Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my monthly Boxy Charm unboxing. This is January's Boxy Charm. So I'm just going to get right on in. I know that my December one was also uploaded in January, but that was because I was behind on stuff and life got ahead of me. Plus it also came a little late. I'm out of breath because I just went all the way over there to go turn on a fan because I'm hot in here. This damn ring light. But you guys didn't ask. You guys probably don't even care. Let me adjust myself here. Let me jump right in. I think I purchased something that was in here because Boxy Charm said that I was receiving something that I had already received before in a Boxy. So they give you like that $6 credit thing to purchase something. And I'll show you what I purchased with that $6. This one is the premium box, so we're not going to jump into that one yet. And we have the not the premium, the base box, and it says so fresh and so clean, so fresh and so clean. All right, starting off in here, we have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Gel. No, that's not it. And this is it right here. And it's basically just like the spoolie thing. I have it in the shade Taupe, which is perfect because the shade Taupe in the brow pencil is my perfect shade. Opening the packaging, and it's just simple packaging. Put it back into the box, whatever. That is $20, which isn't really bad for Anastasia Bev Hills stuff. Next we have Touch and Soul Pretty Filter Waterful Glow Cream. I feel like I keep getting this, but I might be wrong. But there's the pretty little iridescent unicorny packaging. Obviously this is going to be completely sealed, so I will not be opening this up. This is right here. The packaging is pretty lilac-y purple. Very pretty. Should be a safety seal, which is that plastic thing there. And I will not break the seal from that. And that is $38. Next we have Persona Cosmetics. It's the E-Balm Tinted Lip Balm. I love Persona. This is in the shade Manifest. That is funny because we just got done watching that series Manifest. Let me tell you, it was amazing and everybody should go and watch it. You really should go watch it. But this is the packaging for that. The shade. My ring light I feel like is a little off. And there it is. It's like pretty, this is white. This is like a nude color. Oh, it clicked. Oh, that was cool. It was click, click. This is a pretty shade. It's not too overpowering at all. It's not like that bright pink at all. So it's very wearable. Very springy. Summery, excuse me, tickle in my throat. $22. Persona is a little pricey, but I do love Persona. Like their eyeliner. If it wasn't for a Boxy Charm having one of those eyeliners in there, I wouldn't have fallen in love. It doesn't budge anywhere, so much so that I actually have repurchased it, which you will see in another video, not this one. So, more to come on that one. Next we have Love Plus Craft Plus Beauty. It's Plasma Gloss. I was trying to read to see if it actually is an all over bronze gold glow. It's for all over. It adds a dewy, bronzy, iridescent glow to eyes, cheeks, and lips. It's a new launch, and it is $18. So this actually can go anywhere. That's their packaging. Weird. Let's take a look here. Get out. And that's their packaging. Ugh, it's sealed. I'm breaking the seal on this one. There's no smell. I have to break the seal. I need to see if it shows any color. Oh, and it actually does. It's very pigmented. That actually is very pretty for the eyes and cheek. Right there. Let's do this again. That's actually really nice. I don't know. See, I feel like that would move around too much on the eyes because it doesn't go into a powder like some of the cream things, like the blushes and the bronzers, that once you rub it in, it can turn into. This would be nice on the cheek if you're going to be setting it. But when it said for the lips, I mean, I guess if you rub it all the way in, it would be fine, because I've rubbed it in a lot and you really can barely see it, but just a little bit of glitter. I don't know. We'll play around with that and see what comes of it. Beauty for Certain Perfect Collab, and it is eyeliner set. $38. It's also a new launch. This is their plain, basic packaging. We have I know we have a black. Yes. Always a black. Alright, we're going to do the black. Very creamy. However, that might not be black. It went on. I thought it was a black, but it kind of looks like it's navy blue. And then we have a gold here. I mean, it looks black. I mean, it's supposed to be black. But if you see it in person, it actually looks more of a navy blue, but it's supposed to be black. So, nice there. That's it for the base box. I know I'm boring. Bear with me. Next, we have, this is the premium box, and again, it's so fresh and so clean. Like that song? Anyway, moving on. We have Dominique Cosmetics. It's Unconditional Palette. We gotta find this. This is it. It is an eye palette. So it is $28. It's pretty packaging. She does have pretty packaging. It's very nice. We're gonna open this up here. I'm trying to do this so I don't break a nail. And by the way, this is like a week out of my nails. I know I haven't been on here filming so as often as I should, and this is, I think, Chick Flick Cherry. I'm on the hunt for the perfect reddish brown burgundy wine Cabernet color. And in a later video, there's things like in another video I will have said specific things about lip colors, and those videos are coming up, but I can't really say much. But these are the colors. They're very pretty. Oh, that's like, oh my. I shouldn't have done that. That was this color here. I really went in it too harsh. Oh, that's going to be like Fallout. Oh, so basically that's like an eye topper. So, oh my. Oh my. He's, oh my. Oh my, that's like a lot. I really got a lot on my finger. I gotta wipe that all off. So I'm now glistening all over. But that is very pretty. The regular shade right there. It's very lovely. Lovely, lovely. I have nowhere to wipe it. Oh, yes I do. I have a paper towel. Look at that. Okay. Oh, see? Alright, I just was getting fallout from this glitter here on the floor in my room here. So I guess you would need a glitter glue, which I don't own glitter glue, so I don't know how much of that color I would use, but it's pretty. More for like, seriously, it's not like an everyday thing that I would use that for. It's too much glitter. Alright, next we have Ofra Cosmetics On the Glow Pro Palette. Jesus. Another palette. This is, oh my gosh, 180. Not 180. It's $148. $149, something like that. Oh, it's a pretty big palette. This was the sleeve that it came in. The shades, I'm not even going to try to tell you the shades in here at all. And this is it. Oh, never mind. The shades are actually on this little plastic right here. So we have Blissful Highlighter, Egyptian Clay Bronzer, Americano Bronzer, California Dream Triangle, Beverly Hills Highlighter, and Rodeo Drive Highlighter. And let's see, does this move off of here? It does. And those are the shades. Very nice. Don't mind if I do. I'm going to go put these back on here to keep them protected. Lovely. Lovely, lovely. I'm not even going to try to put that back in the sleeve. I don't know why I do that in these videos. I always sit there and try to put things back in the sleeves. So, we now have Volition Beauty. It's Strawberry Plus C Brightening Serum. Where's right there? We were allowed to choose, I think, this. I believe. Something like that. And it's just like that. A nice little CC cream. Oh, not a CC cream. It's a Strawberry C Brightening Serum. So that's really nice to have. Very lovely. That is, what did I say? 42. I don't know if I even said it. 42 bucks. And my battery's about to die. So I'm going to go change it right now before I go. So, be right back. Alright, sorry. Battery was dying and I didn't want it to like cut off on me. I just saw it had the little slash through it. So I figured, let me just get a jump start on it and actually put a new one in. So if the positioning of the camera where it was is off, that is why. Jump right back in where I had just left off. And what we had finished up with was Volition Beauty and the Strawberry C Brightening Serum. Next we have Oma Beauty. It is Salute to the Sun Drama Bomb Mascara. And it is this packaging. Is this it? Is this it? Yeah, it is. There you go. Which I won't be using. It's not waterproof. And a lot of the mascaras that I got that aren't waterproof, I was able to give them to good homes. I was able to give them to my coworkers. And I don't know. I might actually keep this one and try it because I have a couple things from Oma. So I'll try it. I need to start using the ones that are not waterproof more for like the winter time when I'm not sweating outside, and or if I'm just sitting at home and I know I'm not going to be doing anything, just to use it. And even just layer it. Use it and then put something waterproof on top of it. I wonder if that'll work. Let me know if that works. Wearing something that's non-waterproof and then putting something waterproof on top. Alright, that was $19.50. Next we have Item Beauty by Addison Rae. And it's Lucky Line Long Wear Waterproof Gel Eyeliner Pencil, which I love waterproof. Now, I had received the mascara by Item Beauty. I did not keep that. It's not waterproof. So that went to my lovely coworkers. So they were able to enjoy some mascaras. Maybe they might have found something that they really liked. But this here is the eyeliner. So this will be staying with me. And this is $14. Next we have another Ofra product. Is Ofra trying to get rid of their stuff? Like, are they still in business? I mean, I don't even know. I don't really hear much about them. Alright, it's Ofra Cosmetics Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick. I don't do liquid lipsticks. Especially in this shade here. I don't even know what the shade is. It is Canyon. So this is $20. I got glitter everywhere, and everybody who who knows, if anybody on here who knows me, knows I hate loose glitter. It just makes me itch, and it's not even on this hand, but it's just, I hate it. I really do. All right, let me swatch this color. I don't know where the heck to swatch it. See this here? I don't know. It's pretty deep. It's a pretty deep shade. So it's like a terracotta-y orangey red color, and I don't know how I feel. My ear is itching too. What the heck? See? Look, it's that glitter. It's just making me itch everywhere. I might have to try that on. It is kind of pretty, but I don't know if I would wear a liquid lipstick in that shade. But we will give it a go. But the thing that I got because of whatever item. What item was it? I can't even remember. It said I received one of these items before in about, oh, I think it was these. I think it was these eyeliners. We, the Boxy Charm, was it last week, last month, I think, or month before? I think these eyeliners, I believe, may or may have been in the other box too. I have to go check my drawer where all my eyeliners are. I believe it might have been in there. And that's why they gave me $6. $6 off of anything I wanted. So I ended up getting the Lawless Clean AF lip gloss. Here I'm thinking I'm getting a different shade. Does it even come in any other shades? Because I've already received it twice in my Boxy Charm. So I'm thinking, oh, it's a different shade. I get it. It's the same exact shade. Basically nothing. But I love this lip gloss. It really is nourishing. It's just a lovely gloss. Anywhere I go, I take this thing and I'm happy with it just with this. So when I travel, this most likely will be in my bag as well, because it's amazing. So that's what I got. I'm not mad that I have 3 of them now, because now I won't be running out anytime soon. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you got in your Boxy Charm. And if you did get a credit of $6, what did you purchase with your $6? Just let me know. Comment anything. Say hello. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And until I see you all again, have a great day. Thanks. Bye.